Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search icon and search for troubleshoot settings, then click here to open it. On this window, click on other troubleshooters. After that, click on run from playing audio. It will try to detect the problems and to resolve it. Now follow my screen. Check this box, then click on apply. Go to advanced tab, then try to select the default format and test it. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Now open device manager. On this window, just expand sound, video and game controller, then click on update drivers. Now open Windows Update and click on check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, you need to download and install the latest version. Now you need to check this box and this one also, then click on download and install. Again select update drivers, check this option and click on next, select yes. Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar and type here Chrome. You need to open Google Chrome web browser. Then in the search bar, type Realtek audio drivers and click on this link from intel.com. Now select the latest version, scroll down and click on the download, select path, now extract this zip file, click on extract. Now open this folder, simply scroll down and double click on setup file, select S. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, click on next. Now check this box and then click on finish. It will automatically restart your machine, and there we go.
Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.